Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete playlist on YouTube. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go into your YouTube application. Now at the bottom part you can see there are four options: home, shorts, subscription and library. Go to the library option. Now you can see a section playlist at this second section. So as well as you can see a view all option, click on it. So these is the list of all the playlists you have. You can just click on the particular playlist that you want to delete. So let's say this is the particular playlist I want to delete. Now from the top right corner you can see a three dot button. You have to click on the three dot button. Now you can see there are three options like delete playlist, watch on TV, help and feedback. So you can easily guess it. You have to just click delete playlist and then click delete, and that's it. The playlist has been deleted. You can see that it's no longer in this list. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Still, if you face any problem, you can comment down below. I will try to solve it. See you in the next one.